Obama na no go from beti aye go so te
Sam as me back my did.
No man was dey na do be pie ha.
Nana. Did come what na see.
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba efe kasebo no enchiremu enien. Adwadifo no motonton enua ewo eye kwada so wood market ne mu ne sia mekese wonom nso no egugem iye price adihie yi. Ghana fo bekai a eye bosuma ye wo me mecho pepon bosuma yi ne da na etoso enan. Emfempem yenu ene aduonu enumum ena beto dwa se ne na dada no so na ye memenda ena beto dwa se gya bra ne yetumi toye kwada so eye bia omtontonton nua na mai se ho nyina yetumi ehye dwobe a ekwakwaya Adwoa Sammy ye pa nanso sensensemu ya mu endra danso eja ne bia san to kwada so eye wood market no bi se mekese adwadifo ne dem eho ne mu nyina da etumi ahye dwobe kwa makwakwaya Adwoa Sammy ye kese pam na mna eja ne hye no adwadifo ne kire mu se wono mbom homodin bia se kwan bia ommefa so aboa na nka omatumi aso ano no nanso mo ye woye a eye bode efiri ne eja ne se de no enya de a wono betimi aso ano ye kura na se mekese adwadifo ne kire mu se wono magya pade a etumi ahye ewo kwada so eye wood market wono mo no ha adwenye pefiri se emreja no eto market nim endrada no na enua hodo na ade hye bi etumi akoto afiri miamia aba begu kwada so eye wood market wono mo no na do esun ye pa efin so eye so mera hodo na ewo hono mu nyina da wono mutumi di papa enua ne ade ne nyina da so endrada eja etumi eto mu a ne nyina da etumi ahye dwobe kra na ade hye ne kirem se ye kese de ekapa na aba no eka aba no enya asemikuma kwa na be Facebook no so DLFM 106 pona ya fonini bia guso aba benya bi ni watimi ahwe ediamai Kofi Bwana project eya video no mai na Ghana fo no mahwe video no endrada eja atimi atokwada so eya wood market ne mu no aba efata wani we enya dia ese o ka kira kura na de hye na ka se kirem sem sikap tutri de pa atimi afiri wono monsa ewo kwada so eya wood market wono mo no emu wa ja efiri so manka bia hyem sabi mpenifo ka se mesesa so tro menu emani ha ni senti eja bitumi toye ewo bosunu we mu ne da na etoso enan na ne bosunu we sun da etoso e dunkron eja sumi atobiew ewo kwada so market ni mu dia aba na we de ano eya pa na adehye ne kasa ekire mu sem sisi ye kese umagya pade nyina da ne nyina aduma ko hye jerema ne nyina da etimi ahye ne senti wo mo de adesre e de ato Ghana mpanifo nim titru e do mampani wo mo ka bia wo mo nyina nim se mo moden emra mo boa ena fi so kwan wo de mo betumi afa so na eja hodo a etunto to kwada so market mo moden mesia no ofise de akwadie eni enya ye pane mo moden kwa homa ne so em se yensa baka yensam training eye Robert Bosomtwe butu asante mantem ne ko bisa ne se Robert eja to kumase eye kwada so eye wood market ne mu no ehun kire mu no eni sende pa na kofa se eja wei ebeto eye kwada so eye wood market ne mu enne ade hye ne nyina da eja pade nyina da etimi ahye ewo kwada so eye wood market ne mu enne wo mu nyina da ebobra ewa asante matem ye bo ahoma no mu se yensa betimi aka yensam training Robert Bosomtwe na kwaji nkire mu nyina da etimi ede afri asante matem no emum Sikapa de ato eye kwada so market ne mu so emu nkire mu ni o
Kwadwo
eden
niema bi si say na meti anase mi hu na chese mera ho papa o my Ghana he fa ne ye ko
sete bia da se da ne yante asembone a ya da sore ne yante asembone a ye chi okura yim
sika na mo o my ye ni bi enda eja ochina say ochina to range aden
ade ba kwa reho na asefem kura ne say on the 4th of this month eja to kwada so wood market ni ma ho ne mu nyina hye na afa yi nso bio on the 19th of this month endrada kwesiada eja sa to kwada so wood market ni ma ho ne mu nyina hye dwabe na bra Facebook ro so na behwe de asie bra Facebook no so na bra behwe de asie in fact ahomete
pa
say ya to ababie ye eja hye market no anu anyan toto
nti Kwadwo say bia na ye obi na ne nsa hye ase ana saden
asat now no yentimi enhwe nti no yankwa homa ne so na yenhwe yensam twere ni Robert Bosomtwe aba homa so yenko bisa no die na nam so menne kwada so market no eja tumatumi Robert good evening
Bejo Seminia
nempom di say
adom na monso
twede ampon yakopɔ adom ode nkwa no e de ache yen na amani abato de yɛka sɛ bɔpro so ɛkyerɛm sɛ kwada so wood market no ɛgya tumi atumi ndo ada mani nyinada atumi ahye Robert wo na abutu hɔ no de ɔkɔ atɛn de ɔba atɛn de ogyina hɔ no mo no ɛne atɛnto dodo nsɛm we no mu kyerɛmu pa ɛne sɛn
Mia yema etiefo akwaba na menka nkyerɛ etiefo sɛ deɛ wo hyɛ wo kase ba so wo kan yɛ sɛ odo ne kyerɛmu asantemantam ho na odo ne kyerɛm ɔkwada so wood marketer ɛgya to hɔ Mia sobe kaya enche kra ebra eti se kantamanto eja ato
106.9
ye se na mienu so ene eti se ehon so eja to nti ye sa ti bi mse ja to ne se enya kwada so wood village wa na eja to na obo se an Mia edimirika na ekopie mu ho a eja ahye ho nyina dwerebe ene ebu se ho se na adi enche ene eja to mu a Juma ye force abobo mo ho ano se o mo sa ye juma na e ba ne sen bi na me nia on se enua mu de na ba bi o ha sodas kakra o ho ya pon ye nhyi enwura kakra ya pon ye nhyi sodas ne kakra no e na kofa we nyina ba nti me nia odo ne be kire mu a boni be ka se for the second time kwada so wood market eja asa to mu a me nia me no ka sei ho nyina ahye sei dwerebe a mpanyimfo amfa hwe na areba kwa ye bepie mu ha no manfo busa ene se ade ahyepen na ade ntina adwumayefo ho enya ahodaso se de esi ye no ebie betimi asase biem entinema bi a ye de bo eja ho ban ti se fire extinguisher ene ade no na mpanyifo bi e ka se nka bi si pen ne de na wo se nkomo ye ntutu ye se de be ya enka san nkomo ebi emabie ntimia se ode tu atiefo ni ma eye no kre kwada so wood village eho anase wood market eho eja atomu a sisi amene o kase de eja pade ne sika o manfo adwuma o mo ye de dwerebe ni nyina ahyekra
Uroda sisi amekese no Ghana National Fire Service atuma be pie ho no mo
Menya ebra na eja no ehye no so unya videos ni pictures bi na wo hwa National Fire Service I'm say ebra eja no etomu no na ya nadwopa o man timi am pimo on temperature ana yehu so maba o mabe bridge na berebo ebro mo ba ye no na enye sa afi na eja na sha ase na Fire Service abedro nti senka no ko ba sa ebia enka ni ja ne hye no enye ho nyina ta na nso enam se na ya na jo na o man timi anu ho ntemti no ena ma agye nsemu a atimi ahye bia ho nyina
Uro ye beda wasepa kwaso afu ani de akire beto benku beto nimfa no ye besa ba wo nkyene wa bagimu enkyiremu
Mr. Daziminia
eni a woti ye eye yensem twire ne obutu asantimentem ne den e de Robert Bosomtwe na ode de esi asantimentem mu nyina da kwada so wood market ejato mu no ode mu nkyiremu nyina ode asome na we no se de aye no kwada so asotro mienu emani ha nti ye mompa ye mamawaye
No! I get it clear! Father! In the name of Jesus!
Yanto akase abane so na mfimpim mienu ni enum ni mu no eyade abasabasa ye bi esi wo Gambia e wa abra ade hye bi omu free Ghana ene Nigeria bi kra free West African kronkro ni so bi eye Gambia fo asrafo eche wo mo hye wo mo ekosie ya hye wo ma achese nsuo hye wa kase hwenka se ebrabra me so omo bu omo ye pam omo to anananom e wonsie de esan se na omo free eye Ghana ni Nigeria e de akọ Europe intina Gambia fo adwen se yade omo ba abetu eye omo mampani dada ya jama enti na omo bro wo ma enu nti na omo hye omo nkwa ya we na ya Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama edi atudwa se yade e wose ye patent ne edi ma ade hie okasa asem we wa bra okonsra hwe e wo Gambia na okase eye bone omo didi yade hie de enso ni ye kra esa se kro kese pa na omo de ahye eye abusuafo na kumamu bibia ni won betimi aya amasa akro no etimi ewu esa se omo de hie no pe baabi akosa na ebe ye omo nsa betimi akoma no na ma kire o ma bro wom ama o ma to nananom wonsiadio inti sabre yi dia tentene ne na wose ye pe ede ma ade hie yi inti sabre ya Gambia fo age atum se ya ade a omo be ma ye kabinami nkabia mamuo no akoso wo ho no e wose omo bo omo homodi ana saade na omo ye ne de omo ma no ensi biom na ewo ma tentene ne de omo mpe enfema ade hie yi.
I paid a personal visit to my brother, President Barrow, to thank him for the honor he did to me by personally attending the inauguration ceremony that took place on the 7th of January. I also have come to assure him that my new administration will continue the very good relations that we have had with Gambia. I have always had some relation with Gambia, both in official capacity and in personal capacity. I was part of the delegation that came when there was the impasse after that election. Together with Salif Johnson, President Buhari, we came and negotiated, and we are happy that Gambia's democracy has become consolidated. We've been following the processes that have occurred with regards to truth and reconciliation, and we think that the process would help to exorcise the pain that people have gone through in the period where things were not as democratic as they are currently. We know that there are many other processes that need to be gone through, including bringing people to justice for crimes that were committed in the period of President Jammeh. Ghanaians were involved. As you know, some of our countrymen were killed here in the Gambia, and so we're happy with the process that is going on to establish the truth, investigate what happened, and also to bring people who did that to justice.
Ene ya wuti ye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama na owie na ya Gambia mampeni Adama Barrow Fuller enso ede nsem etuja.
We seize the opportunity to congratulate for the resounding victory. Congratulate you for your resilience and your courage. And as I said, there is no school for experience. You are former president and you are now president. So we have no doubt that you will continue the leadership and you will continue where you stop. And definitely, during these 8 years, we had a very, very good relationship between Gambia and Ghana. And we will assure you of our support. We will work with you to make sure that we take ECOWAS to the next level.
Ene ya etwagu ye Gambia mampeni Adama Barrow Fuller.
Yentoa DL omadwuma kase bo no so ye munwuramwan ne appointment committee for SI kwasetena kwatena ase. Ni nyane se Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama etimi abo peni pa ono no ya adakru mashebedwane ne din ede kwame eye Gavins abojadin se ono ene nkwaye o my Ghana enkwahe ne akwan na afi so yakwan tempon so nene ene masebedwafo no kwa asetena appointment committee no kwatena ase kototo openinya no ehunu se osefata se dwumadi etesa no obetumi akwa yoswafo a obehwe o my Ghana yakwan na afi so yakwan tempon ho ensensem so na mre ne kwame eye Gavins agbaja ekopie ye no ena appointment committee no ebisa ne ensensem tototo na na wochirim se o my Ghana to na nanka yetwa akane no na yade a ne yeboapa o my Ghana yetumi edisiesie ye na kwan nti onum de enti Ghana mampeni dada eye na danka kufuado etumi fa akwati kwan etumi betwa eye saa to onum o chebisa kwan Ghana mampeni dada efa so no na nya de na ye kwan pakra wakasa kirem se wohwe to na Ghana yetwa na ayade amamra ana ma ho kwan se yentwa to ni senti se Ghana mampeni dada mpo na nka opese wotwa to onum a esen kesan ko masebedwefo etumi sisu kunwa bobo ho no mu kwan pa ombefa so na wedie Ghana mampeni ni tumi pe wamfam na kwan so no bo no homaden etimi etwa to onum du wakasa kirem se abahofra bede se de tebia no Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama naban ebetena se ehu kwan pa ombefa so o my Ghana to no yebetimi asan etwa wakasa kirem mo fa kwan pa ombefa so bi etumi aboma to na ebetwa idie etumi aboma yakwan hodo asese no yetumi de ede dwuma mo Ghana akwan so etimi bibi etumi akon kanye pa ede makwantifo na afin so ashenkafo.
When the issue of the road to started, our side, honorable former minority leader, together with me and the former road minister, honorable Makwata, decided to caution government that do not cancel or suspend road toll. Let's rather find ways of plugging the leakages in terms of the collection and enhance it. Honorable Haruna and myself met Honorable Amakwata and gave our commitment that don't cancel it. Indeed, we were surprised on the day the road toll, they claimed they zeroed it. For me, it was an act of illegality. Yes, they said they just zeroed it. But it was, a road fund has got an act. It's a law. So you couldn't unilaterally do that. As a result, I believe there was a level of negligence in the way it was done.
Anyway, no, ena kwame Gavins abuja esanchire mu se wohwe to na nkasa kra na ombesa de abane omde ba we wonom ensan gosisi eye to boot bia obabia ne nyina ne se wendie wonom betua awa ba fo kwan so a enya de ombefa nipa ahodo akogye nyina kwan ho akwakwache traffic bia ne mmom so adehye ahodo a wonom so adi dema na nkaja wombo ho bode gigi to na nkaja sika etumbombo to menya bi de hwe abusua no so bo hu kwapa on befa so na tumi aboa na wonom so betuma di dwuma aboa meto ngije na konkan no ombeboa fa no adwuma maniama etumi akonkan e wo no mbegi tu ifufro o my Ghana.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. And Honorable Leader, I'm glad the NDC administration is bringing back the toll booths operations. And I also want to support my colleague that when operations begin, in as much as we want to prevent leakages, the persons with disability who were recruited earlier and dismissed should be reconsidered so that they also begin fully employed to take care of their families. I want to have your take on that.
Thank you very much. We are bringing tolling of public roads back. We are not bringing toll booths back. As I said, it will be deployed on a platform, which means that there wouldn't be physical toll booths where drivers will have to stop and pay. So with regards to the disabled people, sure, we are going to be able to re-engage them. I even said that earlier. We'll re-engage them and make sure that those of them who are capable of playing a role are brought on board to play a role on this. Thank you.
And what he and Abuja governs ni semu no and I say to me say e ka aba no enya ka kuma kwa na business no pani e ka ba na abai and go chire me say e ka pa da ho no ma yesen ko mutua e de ma akwa agese ne contractors ahodo mu yi okwan wo maga na mu no e ha adwinye pa ga na man pani da na dan ko gufu ado wen hwantua ka no ma ka ba da ho no pa e de ma so ye hwe o maga na akwan ye ni afin so akwantempon so no e ka no e chen kro ne business e ka no na yesen o chire me say ka ga na this is no 113 million any kai da honom nanso sa ka ni nyina che no nso wo hwe nsi hu da honom na nsi hu no kwa 665 million je se we de ayade akwa ya improper fraction adenti na kai da honom na yede no ene mo musua esene nsi hu da honom wo kirem se ka we obede wa kwache kirim e de akire ono ankaza na manfo mo wada kuru we di asem we die e pantoma ene so mu kirem no enie.
At the transition committee, it turns out that as of today, I've not been to the ministry yet. What they presented to the committee, the MPP government is leaving a minimum of 100 billion Ghana cedi commitment. What you should be worried about, though, is that in that same document, they are saying that certificates unpaid as of today from GOG amounts to about 20 billion Ghana cedis. The ones with road fund is about 15 billion Ghana cedi. What you should be more worried about, my brothers and sisters and colleagues listening to us from outside of this hall, is that if you take the indebtedness up to 2025, which is the road fund debt alone, out of the 15 billion, look at these details. In 2018, we were owing about 113 million Ghana cedi. The interest on the 113 million Ghana cedi this year will be 665 million Ghana cedi. The debt was 113. The interest on the 113 is 665 million. When you take 2019, 210 million. The interest on the 230 million is 960 million Ghana.
Ne kura mo no ana da kru ma se bedwane esan echire mu sem. Oh, Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama obegbo adwuma ye pa wakasa echire mu sem. Yama na kwanye visa Ghana man penin echire mu sem. Obetna ekonwa no so a nefo makomako oha aduonu de kro no obegbo adwuma ye pa Ghana fo ahunu se yes wabbo adwuma ne senti ohwa nanim obekwa so abo makwan ye hu sensem de etumia konkan ye pa anti yentena se nya botre mo man penin John Dramani Mahama yakopɔ ye adoma nefo makomako oha ne aduonu etwamu kona adwuma bebɔ ne akwantempɔn sensem so Ghana kwan de dodo na obetumi asiesi moman ye ho atumi atoyen efa ya kwantempɔn ene akwan hodo enyina mu o my Ghana.
President Mahama is very clear on his mind as to what is contained in the 120-day commitment he's made to the people of this country. Indeed, Mr. Chairman, with the kindness of our colleagues from both sides, me being vetted today, it's also a record of the expeditious way President Mahama promised to form his government. And I want to thank my colleagues from the minority side. The issues he wanted to put before Ghanaians, he's placed them before Ghanaians. It is based upon that he's been given the unprecedented win in this election. So if Ghanaians wanted him to add road and every detail, they would have talked about it. Road is a priority to President Mahama, but let's look at how he delivers on the 120-day commitment, which includes the repeal of some taxes and many other things, which you rightly said. After that, we can pay attention to other things. But
Eni a woti ye ayo penipa Ghana man peni John Dramani Mahama. Waboni din so no enkoye oswafo be hwe Ghana. Ya kwan na afisi akwan timpon ensensem so no kura nso no ye adakru ono ma bedwani din e de Kwame Gavins Abuja. Nensema do som ye enede ewa appointment committee fo anim na munchire mu nyina ene ye de asumwe.
Yanto akase bone so na ora Prince Kofi Amoabia na UT Bank eye ne dia e de nsema betudwa ebisa se nti eye Bank of Ghana for eye to amobeto show mo so we UT Bank adwuma nim no eye ade International Monetary Funds eye IMF for ana hye mo se mo be ya na we na woni eye nsemtwefo etwetwe nkomo na o kire se one de wadwen ho ahu se eye Bank of Ghana for adwen omo fa ye ne de eya dia na obi ana show mo so mo yesanse na pressure na edom so na nya pressure ketwa kra intinu mo betena ho ama IMF fo ahye mo se eye local banks ni na mo betutum ana esanse enso ani kra sane eye officials mo Bank of Ghana ene police fo to show mo so aya anopa no nsia anopa tutu beto show mo so tutu eye banks nim no nya dia eso ani ye kra nti sane dwumade ni koye ndi ohun ni se ya dia be ha oman Ghana yesika kra no ene eye akandifo amudi yenim no we ne nsema odituja.
The issue of job creation is the one that for me I think is, like I already indicated, extremely paramount, because at the end of the day, with all these big macroeconomic indicators, inflation, exchange rate, managing the debt and all of that, if it does not cascade and translate into improving the lives of the people at the grassroots, then forget about it. We've lost the plot in that regard. So the job creation agenda and how you unleash and ensure that the private sector can actually compete and participate becomes extremely important, right?
Yeah, wuti ye. Eye ora Prince Kofi Amoabia ono na UT Bank eye ne dia.
Yentu akase bo no so ene yenyira mu. Ewa krapopune mantem ne nkopie mu. Ewa tetegu eno no waweja bawe eye municipality ne krapopune mantem mu. Na de na akase tirim se nansemu de ensu ho akwa atumi akwa atwe saa be boso mako mienu ntemu a wanom ehunu amane ye pam. Na de ye tirim se ensu no ehyase akwa atwe ewo eye obubu obusum nom ewo mfempem mienu ene aduonu enanum. Na ma moje mra ne de kasa botwetwe twenkomo na mu tirim se ukopire mu tetegu enne potem de a ensu ho akwa atwe amane upensu okufogala mba akwa atimi atwa eye 5 Ghana cedis adisi ebre ye pam. Wani mu tiremu zenne omaga na sikampo emu ahetu za satentehuro no ni senti adwuma mo yempo ni mampo nse de ankɔ nanimu ye ampo sa mfa ma wonom nanso ne ensu akwa esa akwa atwe menne omo sika sem sa bekwa eba beto apede a na emu eye pam adehia akirem aka se tirem se de adure de Ghana Water Company Limited mo modem ra mo fi se de yakoso no eni eye pam na ma ne bi kura akirem se titiro mo ye tire no mo tirem se ne wa hwe na wo girlfriend etetetegu ni potem so kwa koyi ni ti ahwe ni tire beka afidi mefiri se omu nya nsumpo no mo de awohye ni ti bra mo bre ho no mo no emo ye ne sente mo de adesre e de ato adwuma ko ho maga na nsuo su se ni manim yi atem mo den emra mo mo afisa de so mo potem ho no mo no wanum ehuna mane e wo nsuo mu ensensem ho
apa titegua sira sem nansen die nko yie mai ebi wo ha me hairdresser ebi wo ha edwuma ba na afi na me ya ikochia ko pensuo ebi wo mo akochia basa no na client no mu nsuo nansen die sira sem e de mai penifo ni hwe no mu nya hu bibie nya de mai e na bebia me twi nsuo nso esi abe o mo de ba no e chekane no aha nsuo nso mba e na be na mo de ba no nanka me ni mi fi wa ne yakoba nya abotre man because be na no odi Bana would be say ba a higher pan.
No, make me from November. Yes, you so na ba ti say doing so. Obenye nsuo this also lebia ahomachi be 2 and 1. Now the bucket see as here. Enu pokra ansa na bucket na be ma no. This 1 hour ansa na obenya baako. And am senti pokra no ye ma nyama pokra no. E bia this ye yimu na ye sibi na ye jebi because nsuo na ngaza no. Emba na wenye bi adwale akasa ukosi nyama. Baby susu mi wa ebe ya eba ni kese na waka se ukobu bi wo because baby ni wa ye be kwa akobu bi nti esre omu nya na se bi mpokwa week kwa na se ana week kwa mbema ye da kokwa se na be ya ye bubi esi wo
nsuo de ye wo kire wo nsuo bebre se ale ye nya nsuo emfa nya shi even galo ye kitami aha ye bu ma ye ba ku 5 cedis ana ye bu nsuo ha de nsuo wa ye di serious galo na omudi ye juma
106.9.
Yeah, been almost 3 cities for the past almost months now. Your pipe from buying so wire ding.
Any awoti ye aya desha won mo tetegu ene no weja gbawe eye mensen ne mo nka popre mantemu ene won mo chirim so munsuo nyina ate akwa ene ama wo maso aye hyepam ne krakra mu no ene communications manager e de Ghana Water Company Limited ne din de eye Solis aye akomia enso jemre ekyekire nsemu de nti enam so emene adesho mo tetegu nsuo no ate akono.
The intervention is sought from the this municipal assembly no said because we no map and for permit and we see anya the they must be aware until the letter corner the letter no call ya train in and we found another alternative, that is to cross the road until ya shebi BRC friend with Raspberry
106.9.
yes some baby and we see ano e the alphabet before a quiet down here, they fast here at their community. Now, I'm say I delay kakra because company now contracting also when you're almost they have had a few plans they had to put in place. To make us say they are on the field.
106.9.
We are hoping say Friday, yeah, by that time, maybe I'm in sure I shall say
Any awoti ye communications manager at the Ghana Water Company Limited. Ne den ade Solis eye akomia ne na woti ye gina we so ne yakofa na boafo nkrato ye ba kase bode aka akiri no ye betini nyina difri wonom ade ama wo.
Makwantu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso meyensam tronenti menya adagye ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abrani adagye ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana mehu se wo apply for visa assistance a emfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madanse die nie ma menintreo Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amount se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na afa krade, Serbia, any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etechiri. Ma menchire wo mo echiri kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Ben Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244 291546. Email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media.
Yamamo akwaba efi yenko Facebook na adwenkyera amade aba no yekenkan ni nyina emfa mo piaga no tiremu se Ghana fo amomfa asrafo military no mfa ni agrefi so mo ye memma ma wanhwe a ekwem do befa so no wonte ho asekura baba ma ha mo boase no tiremu se de biala de MPP am NDC amanyokunu beba eye benya tumi no na oboase na honom angegoda Ashanti ne timamufo nto kwankwan na ekoso tiremu se ha dwenye pa yo Delek eye ayite wo kire se wo hwe live edi free nkurakan na wo kire se good evening senior ya da se pa Francis eye donyon su kire mi se please anyone interested in opening na day senior pa we de hwe ho yi pa na sa advert phone na mo ye ne nya de be so kra Ghana ni yaduru won chan so fa de da epono so enyina ne se eja hyehye e koso ye to aba wie ye ahoma te Kumase kwada so Kantamanto jato ho no mope enu na he na Kumase kwada so eja koto wood market ho on the 4th Endra 19th eja asan koto kwada so wood market ho Ghana ni asem we wote eja chihie yi uso musen hello majo
bema
yeah 49 na ti say
nyame adom menu ame ho ye na wo so
nyame adom we dia mra ni tibo ni tew na yenko
yo ye bestre market dodo na aka na sabi oye ni ANC ho no omomo ni na ho animu ya omumpa watchmen no omo ne da ho sabe ya sabi se eja ewusie kura ne epu wo ho a watchmen ne a omo ye petrol no betimi aye dai draw attention na omape ebinsu bi je aguso na oye ni ne de Ghana form Ghana form papa
yeah that's it
obreni ntimedi obesi
me that's it pa senior hello majo senior mpacho di no bia kasa free Blasa mpacho me yenti wanimre
jana fene de etem pay for no mo shekwa mi so ano because quite that the first one Enkobia, Tansa, second one there. There's some point for some money.
Okay.
Pacho, last time we started put up for
yeah, be kind of way to men stretch the massimas man who could quick run as so cook and crampan why. Okay. Timmy Rebecca. Hello, Majo. Oh, sorry. Went to me and you have to fetch me ye pa. Hello, Majo. Hello. Good evening. Open it, Majo. Hey, Deskin, Anna. Aha. Senior, my interior number. Sand attendant.
Market is now the BSC and so on the one and now you won't fiat and more by a bayampa and can walk to get one for Lusulum and son of the BSC.
All right. Yes, yeah, that's a pa. Hello, Majo. Facha me pa. Ipacho, you better your last call if it's a time or no. A decoy pa. Hello, Majo. Hello. Hello, good evening. Senior Pacho, you know, be a free. I'm say on Timin Campacho, be corner was sign Abba. Hello, Majo. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Mama Pacho, you know, be a free.
Pacho, me didn't mind you, make a free tema.
Ipacho, me into you.
Pacho, I just say, no, I didn't say that I'm for Baswa. Omo ya de no de gu nanu ase ana say omo just had no more yen because omo ne mo ye tin they she say akọ so say ya ye pomo cho se bi na touch omo ye sa omo njai yo ase so omo pe nipa no mo mo ho ban no mo hwe se ne be ya ne me nyina etu betwa medas
men so medas ye pa se won so otumi e ba so afrefo ne de be chemo enam yemre ni ntie fi se ya ba be sore pe ye sore a wo beti BBC
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo
ye ba be sore so enti kase ye bono ye de ni nyina da ebesi aha na mu se kase bom se mufuo eye maze mebe entry ene se mu ede e ma yen kofitela de ekopie mo Facebook so makase bono emu videos ni mfoni ni nyina no wonya bi ehwe ede ma yen enuanu mienu so esi nkunya be soma nimle no edi ameje so eye takrade kodwokrom twabawudi hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yes sorry sway na apakan GH otenase na kopamaso nsem ode asomon MS ma hodo aka kopem say nonson bebo na DJ Hitman so afana kunmani sente mu nyina mu anitia adehye
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Enanyumere busia besama wa John asama wa kwaba de bankram pumburi mantam ajiatum kasafidie kase ba kopeso deal ohanisia echiripo enkron emrewe du se na duada anyumere agudie momrante yesin kunya na agudie mo nsaba wodo a yaboaboa no nia ebu mfumpadi adanyadane ewo broni kroso ebibrem ene Ghana yakwakope ede abresemu for watnase asemokroji ajiatum se we di editie se wote ohwefo di hwe se ohwe ne yen okafo nso no edi kase yeka era ebusuan yede babesmo enti baby bia obi atami kuchu na yemfa nsama wodo pina emra mbesmo ewa agudiem a enye asem ketwa show no eye live on Facebook DLFM 106.9 wukan wo a na watumi agya o comment nyina yebekenkan nyina kama edi amao aseda enkoma kofitela ode atu Facebook kama ema ende no bibia koso kama enu achi kwame afum bom achidom ema mede nsam na ba na me amede nsam no eba no edi ameje so no yensu ano de hye apakanjich the blessed king ma memfa sida kese emfama Lumba insupa na nyumre omo boy chido ma gudi mo nsam no yede ababa besomo na Food and Drugs Authority aye hwehwemu agye atom se insu a ewo Ghana ha wonom a ennuane nnu ewo nsuo mu no obenya ni nyina no eye Lumba nsupa unim se nipadua no kontani 70% of insuo na sa 70% no fani nyina ye Lumba nsupa na fama nipadua no enti efiefie mu monto bingu fridge mu na mombobo eno achi event bi na abafie from art during to wedding bibia no Lumba nsupa no ena momfa nso ma hoho ena wuyi no nso edi free wa ene no mo amotunton so traffic mu Lumba nsupa cars na amotunton so no Lumba nsupa obi a oton so provision store for no mo nyina Lumba nsupa ena momfa emankrofo na omonton no na bibia enya fa opebi ato ankran ha Agbogwa Junction Wisconsin opposite wa DLFM abrosankese num obenya bi ato ana opebia from atrofoi na empenfo de bibegu kamu no ma beyi dia ma na odi adi udwuma 0555 274757 ana 0577 475343 Lumba nsupa omukita mu mandanwre yede ensam na ba intentam so yensha sedia yensha semfa figana mrantia esi akan ewa manone na otwe omo to ntra no mo ne ewosoro no yemfa mo nsem emfanso dia English Championship no ewo England boboko a yefene Coventry City atranfie ehye kaneba ko Bristol City entumi ante Black Stars of Ghana forward yefene Brandon Thomas Asante the only goal to me PM ewo game no ono eno share edema Coventry City on the 62nd minute and Brantia, your friend Brandon Thomas Asante, etumede sabono, editor atana, edema bobokwa, your friend Coventry City, ya bon komo, ediacho nenumre, Sansona room of French Liga, former Wafa, or moment foda, Osifam, Aya Jumano, Emra bobokwa, your friend Saint Etienne Tenafi, and Nantes Equity, Obiasha Nyonko Kabakubako, na Moses Simon di can shed man Nantes, and on the 86th minute no, Augustin Boache, and so etik and bobokwa, your friend is Saint Etienne, ya bon komo, edi acho, medican edi atu animudada, se Black Stars in name penny for. For me new management committee say omombehwe Black Stars and so na say na new Black Stars management committee no etie chairman no Dr. Randiabe or a GFA ESCO member in the Bobo Kwefan Heart of Lions no ono na yene de obey overall leader na wada committee na no chairman of the committee afenso no obey lead engagement between GFA and Ghana Abino and our vice chairman no Stephen Apia former Black Stars captain 2006 emra ya qualify the World Cup Germany no ono and lead troop no yet me de qualify edekwe obe support to chairman no as a vice chairman afenso no 100 Blasters players relation other members no Samuel Abuabri Greater Accra RFA chairman or a GFA ESCO member obey operations na match day activities YB na sponsors relations no washe o Eddie Jumano Moses Ama aka Parker or a Mediama SC president obey operations match day activities baby and our friends sponsors relations and also obedi ujuma and our friends near Katwano Dr. Richard Dua in century or Summertest 1996 omo president and also eka members no special duties obey to me up for me yade I want some of them away from new Black Stars management committee no yamfa yeninchemo our Ghana Women's FA Cup round of 16 outwin games to me to result say na kokoye Sisimba ladies etnafie ema Jonina ladies kobo ekami no omo entumante enti Jonina ladies a qualify omo ko manim Fosu Royal ladies enso share kanemi ensa Ashton ladies entumante Fosu Royal ladies a qualify omo ko manim FC Savannah share bako Northern ladies share bako 5-4 on penalties in favor of Northern ladies almost so qualify edeko omanim and after Sunshine ladies etnafie share kanemi no Tutungri Unity Stars and our Unity ladies Tutungiri Unity Ladies omo entmante insi Sunshine Ladies call manim Dreams Ladies and so etnafie ampem da kwa bom ekami no omo timu ba kon ampem da kwa qualify omo call manim Soccer Intellectuals anshebe ema Faith Ladies bom ekaba kwa omo entmante Faith Ladies qualify omo call manim ena Brako Soccer Queens anshebe ema Hazakes Ladies ena ni omo kapolpoli ensia enti Hazakes Ladies and so qualify omo call manim Anglo Ladies anshebe Root Sisters ebo me kapolpoli enuma omo entmante enti Root Sisters ekomanim enti enenu remo ewo Women's FA Cup na round of 16 na otwin games etoja no result ene yedi ni nyina ede asomo yenremo ewo Ghana Division 1 League no na otwin na match day 13 result epiepie mu ne sei ene ekokoye wo zone 1A no Northern City FC Shamiensa Victory Club Warriors entmante wale Catch Stars 2 Yape Unity FC and so 3 and Yape United FC rather enti wale Catch Stars 2 Yape United FC 3 Tamale City 1 Wa Sore Nante FC and so 1 Wa Power 0 Real Tamale United 1 Zone 1A result eno uramu ewo Zone 1B na Techima 11 Wonders 1 WB United 0 Wanamafo Mighty Royals 0 KAC Soccer Academy 0 Bofra Kwatano 3 Doma Unity 1 Techima Liberty Youth 2 Techima Heroes 1 eno Zone 1B uramu ewo Zone 2 nenswa Asakam FC 1 King Faisal 2 Bekwa Heroes 2 Enzimako Tuko 0 Future Stars 3 Park Academy 3 Elimina Sharks 1 Second 11 Wise 0 Mysterious Abusiandros 2 Soccer Intellectuals 0 Seshi All Stars 2 New Adibiasi 0 Sky FC 1 and Bobo Kwa your friend Second Rose Park and so no almost 0 as well Uram Ewo Zone 3 na Sene Kokoye Atrom Divisa 0 Interlies 2 Remasters 2 Akachi All Stars 0 Kofodia SMPF 1 Golden Kicks 0 King Palace FC 2 FC Nania 1 Home Stars 0 Great Olympics 0 True Democracy 2 Okwa United 1 Huawei United 4 Kotuku Royals 1 Way and a result epiepimo Ewo Zone 3 na yedi amount Yeremo ewa Ghana Premier League na otwi na match day 17 and I told ya last ana first round no yedi ni nyina ba na first round no na last game kra etumi etoja result say na kokoye Asante Kotoko 4 Vision FC 1 FC Samates 1996 0 Heart of Folk 0 in Swaterman FC 1 Kara United 0 Basekoli Stars 1 Adriana Football Club 1 Accra Lions 0 Babiani Go Stars 3 Brekum Chelsea 2 Mediama Sporting Club 1 Heart of Lions 0 Nations FC 1 Young Apostles 0 Bechem United 0 and Legon Cities 3 Dreams FC also 0 Table no say NTA Babiani Go Stars after first round no Omudi can 33 points Nations Atosmi 32 points Asante Kotoko Tosmiansa Omo 31 points and 9 no Heart of Folk Omo 30 points Numuno Bechem Omo 30 Ensia and so Bobo Kwa your friend House of Folk na Shannon so mama say enanu mu Heart of Lions almost 30 and a Heart of Folk etoso ensia almost so 29 and so Mediama almost 26 and what train Samates 22 and Crown Basake Holy Stars almost 22 Edu Brekum Chelsea 22 Vision Eduba 19 Edu Mienu Adriana Football Club almost 18 points Edu Miansa in Swaterman almost 18 Edu na Young Apostles 18 and Dunumuno, Dreams as almost 16, almost that relegation, 16th position, Kara United, 14 points, 17th position, Legon City, so more 14 points, and 18th position, Yokatwano, Accra Lions, over 13 points, and so match day 17. Last game of the first round starts no match Sayebo no 9 home wins about 4 away wins 2 draws APM 3 total goals 18 home goals 11 and away no mbako and so 7 wa yede awonsam ede asomo na yamfa voices baku mienu be ento aso emfamodia Abubakar Watara coach ede mabobo kwa friend House of Folk or see on the day no game no na House of Folk epeso mu wini na so unfortunately no omo ntumi create chances omo de be she go or see ni nyina mu no beka say House of Folk ntumi ambobo eso omo she go ni nyina ka strongly and omentumi enwi ni game no enti ono de obeka say draw na omenya no ombetumi afanisa yenti ensema Abubakar Watara edituja.
Oh, for the history, maybe we repeat, but we want to win today, but unfortunately we can't score. We didn't create more chances, we create 1 or 2, but unfortunately we didn't play well to score, but no problem, we take the points.
Abubakar Watara coach Edema Accra Hearts of Folk and Watson and Cano. Now Otwane Samson or the Tuga say game no meant to marry any goal meant to mention no Nhyiraba Samates goalkeeper no or Bono Modi a year crucial service be and a boa Samatesa or mo to me Edinya draw Elfie or say in no and what you goalkeeper near Diano. Now Bobo friend Samates defense and midfielder no or mo disturb House of Folk Bobo Kono Nhyiraba no meant to marry or meant to me and young ni obeka ne say point ba kwa bobo kwa your friend House of Folk enya no omo be fa ne say Abubakar Watara.
I think the goalkeeper the Samates do well, so 1 or 2 chances we created, they will score, particularly the last ball we are expecting the Asamoah to score, but unfortunately the goalkeeper take it, and the defense also disturb us in the midfield because we can't play well the way we want to play, but it's okay 1 point.
No, Abubakar Watara, coach Edema Bobo kwa your friend Accra Hearts of Folk, and wet me attending Kano. Na yempia mo ewan samfu from dia. Bobo kwa friend Kumasi Asante kwa kwetena fie, echi Vision FC Bome Kapolopole and 9, emo mo timu bakon. Dr. Prosper Natogum, coach Edema Asante kwa ose obebone mlante na baso for outstanding display performance or modernity against Bobo kwa your friend Vision FC. Na on any technical team no so far no, we are proud of team no performance or modernity, especially looking at a monima or modernity and it goes to to me a
players for the outstanding display of performance today. I want to congratulate the players for the outstanding display of performance today. I'm so proud of them, the whole technical team, we are proud of them, especially based on what we saw today. We saw a lot of offensive patterns of play which are a replica of what we've been doing at training. And that invariably tells us that they are transferring what we do at training into the game, and they were doing them with ease, leading to the creation of a lot of chances.
Where and some coach I friend Dr. Prosper Natogum, Editu Ghana coach Etwanen Samsonom, and our Auditu Echema, or say Bobo kwa your friend Vision of Sinom, or more by game no strongly. Now, Osho Mobona, or Mobona. In fact, Omobone the Efe. Omo kitabono omo ye very good team omo sanso e passe bono enti se oni omo bono wanhwe ni ya omo bebo ama bono ebetumi afunu mo o si ohun ni sa no e no ohun se omo spaces a omo di be operate na sa spaces ne so ensi so omo ma omo kwan na omo operate Asante Kotoko yes anti e no mutumi twa Vision e ka polepole and 9 e mo mutimu ba kon.
Vision came in strongly to come and play. You could see they are a very good team. They possess, they love to keep the ball a lot, try to play into the spaces behind the opponent, which they did a lot in the game. But then I think we're able to identify these things right from the blast of the whistle, and they allow them to use to get to the balls anytime they play the ball into those spaces.
Dr. Prosper Natogum, coach Edema Asante Kotoko, and I went to me at Tenkano. Nana Kweku Ajiman, coach Edema Vision FC, or say Obeboko to Kotim Nabaso for one more modernity, a bomb a canine, and one Timu Bakon, or say ne before I gave me Babasono, ne press conference or yeno, and in Sembio Kikano, after giving the Kotoko players and a ban in chamber born Abaso O. San Sam Kikano mutie, Eddie Jumano na Aboa Moma Vision FC, or Sini Ramono, near Obeka to us when it's an Emrantiano, or much Kotoko too much respect. And no can be, and I'm Mudim Kugui.
Let me congratulate Kotoko. I'm very, very happy. One of the boys actually walked up to me and said that, coach made them watch my pre-match 5 times. They actually understand that both of us, our level of education and level of even education in terms of the game is really, really high. And they actually capitalized on what I said to make sure that they play a good game. I was hoping that my boys were actually going to pick it up and run with it. Unfortunately, they gave Kotoko too much respect.
I know I am Nana Kwajiman, coach at the Vision FC, and I went to me at Tenenka and so ewo. Nana Brantia, your friend Prince. Abrantia and April game no yebisane say nay. Then I can and you Abrantia no and Kotoko goalkeeper no eko collide na emasabe ofi eno achi nsu na moja ene eye nsuo bi efi eye ne hunamu eba na ebi finitim ene na ade eba na emom no o susu sa Abrantia kopie mu ayaresa bia omo behwe no na ne ho ato na wasa aba back biem aba besia kan area maboboku a ye frɛ no eye Vision FC.
I think it's a concussion. It's a collusion between him and the goalkeeper. He was actually vomiting. He had blood around his head and his ribs. I'm hoping that he will go to the hospital. Doctors will take care of him. He will come back strong and even probably recover before we go to Chelsea. He's a very, very good player. He's from Finland. He was playing with SJK. He's only here for the rest of the season.
Nana Kwadwo Agyei coach at the Vision FC and Waten and can yamfa fie na yenremo broni kroso amanone dia enanyumre matches ebetodwa na matches ebetodwa ne say enetie wo English Premier League no ebo anyumre no otwe a Chelsea Football Club ebetna Stamford Bridge na omani Wolverhampton Wanderers a yetwa ne tia efren Wolves omodi aboani enti no otwe a na sagem no ebaso a ewonsam no Urem ewo Spain Spanish La Liga no ebo no otwe a bobo kwa efren Villarreal omane Real Mallorca edi ebeboni and after so 7:45 no bobo kwa yefren Como 1907 omani Udinese ebebo ewo Italian Serie A wo bobo kwa yefren Real Madrid akache no Real Madrid bobo kwa omusi omakan ewo Spain na omu coach ofi Italy yefren Carlo Ancelotti na report ayeba according to Kowakrata yefren Onda Sero omu choma omusi Carlo Ancelotti ede atudwa chirema bema beye bi wambeye ni nyina se season ya yewo mu no eba na wie a ono Carlo Ancelotti ontoa so enye coach emfama boboku a ye friend Real Madrid biem na sana mpenefo kan no ejabi hu ejabi tiase sanso na tetu etetiem enti me no ka se Real Madrid asha se ene omo former player ende o coach boboku a ye friend Bayer Leverkusen ewo Germany ye friend Xabi Alonso omo ne twetwe nkomo se season kwa wie na Carlo Ancelotti eje adwuma no kwa ono Xabi Alonso mbra na omeye new coach emfama boboku a ye friend no Real Madrid enso wa ye de asomo ewo Real Madrid omo akache yempiemu ewo Barcelona akache a omo president ye friend no ene Juan Laporta na oni mi say na otwi nyama ankoye amfama boboku a ye friend Barcelona against Getafe na no ena Juan Laporta si referee obedi sa game no obegu no wani masie pa o hwe penalty bi anke soje edema Barcelona against Abrantia ye fre Jusconde emra ye pia ne top fem na ye tete no ne ade na ese ye gisa penalty no edema Jusconde against Getafe na referee no anje no we a scandal o describe no as a proper scandal into winning someone Juan Laporta edi atudwa no wie no era ni coach ye friend Hansi Flick edi tudwa say saade ne de na clear penalty a esise nkomoje edi ma Jusconde against Getafe na incredible how sabo no omanje no penalty winning someone Hansi Flick edi atudwa ye de amount uremo ewo Manchester City bobo ko no akache ewo England uremo ewo Uzbekistan omo central defender be ye friend Abdul Kode Kusonov no sina kan edema boboku a ye friend RC Lens of France na officially no Abdul Kode Kusonov no adwani boboku a ye friend Man City wa center back 4.5 years contract and wabesane edi amaboboku a your friend Manchester City sika boboku a your friend Man City etuaye edi ma RC Lens no 40 million euros na Brantia your friend Abdul Kode Kusonov ababe the first player ofi Uzbekistan osiakan ewo English Premier League num ene oboboboku a your friend Man City a yedi awonsam edi asomo na mayu wo player bi ofi Brazil wasa bruta your friend Anthony ojibo na no di twa no Fred ase tefre a yetia no na omohwe mayu fo se sa entwa won de senkebe ya nkomfa nkokom so onfa nkom nso de onkope be foforo ensi akan na bobo kwa friend Real Betis say obi mpa obi pe enti officially no oma sign Anthony on loan from Bobokwa your friend Manchester United until the end of the season and a Bobokwa friend Real Betis oma fa Antonia okwa kosia kan dia mama yede won sama dia mama ne kwakra no na yede esi no Ibrahima Konate French central defender oborebo edema Bobokwa your friend Liverpool na wakasa osi mribi onyani injury nanzia na ne want to know and no dey back ebesi akanema Bobokwa your friend Liverpool adentia osi do Liverpool team no opeso kuno edema Bobokwa your friend Liverpool na mo sesi oni enkase de 100% no or ye fitter or ye fine obesi akan ede ama Bobokwa your friend Liverpool ebusia ekwan no ewase den a ebewie ewa boboa no nti yenya ne mfansi na DJ Hitman emeto aso na Kofitela mesra me de flyer bi ma na me chairman wale fatu so ma me na me nyese adwuma we na me so yes me a me chairman odidi ma me bidi ukopie mo ewa kwatia yes CEO Edema AB Mining Company Limited ewo akwatia na CEO Edema AB Mining Company Limited ewo akwatia yes odidi ma me bidi yes one onwa ninipa shaggy yes omudidi a omuma bi asomeso enti me chairman wale enti CEO Edema AB Mining Company Limited ewo akwatia your friend Mr. Abraham oware oba ahofefo Georgina February 1st 2025 ewo South Boundary Road Lashibi ewo Nkraya enti 1st of February yes ye nyina ye koja me chairman Mr. Abraham CEO Edema AB Mining Company Limited ewa akwatia na wawale Georgina fe inti congratulations in advance to you Mr. Abraham CEO Edema AB Mining Company Limited on the 1st of February 2025 was South Boundary Road Lashibino oware Georgina intino yama congratulations na shagin so no memmo abaso for adwuma awoye na on the 1st of February no yebekwa koja chairman yakota na china bibia nso aye fine na ne krakra ne Taylor project birthday picture no mama na me fan sorry so na ene oba ahofefo yes Madwa oye adwuma ewo Airport Company Limited Kotoka International Airport eho na Madwa adwuma wo ene birthday oye special person to me inti Madwa na ene birthday de memory show happy special birthday na mesre nyankopon nhira de ma enkwatentin anwodin wom ni awhwe owiase bia nyankopon emfama na onye wakoma so ade emfama nti once again Madra we adwuma wo Airport Company Limited Kutuka International Airport minjina DL 106.9 FM Kasafidie son ratio happy special birthday busia yede aguri wonsam na si aseda kese enkoma kwame afum obo achidom ema yede baaye sanso ena Kofitela ede enko Facebook aseda kese eye ne dia me amede nsam no eba ne dia meje so no eye ayensu ano de hye apakanjh the Blessed King na me sorry sweedie menko ba bia esan say DJ Hitman eba na odi awoso no ababeto aso dia ma Monday's edition of awoso DJ Hitman eba be woso back to back masa enumrenia DJ Hitman de ba no eyehu enti menko ba bia enti koswane ti DJ Hitman na onfa woso no embeto aso emfa wanti DJ Hitman takes over your radio with Monday's edition of Awoswo.
And again is back to the subject. DJ Hitman, Seha, na yetio, pata, pa.
Hello, Adwoa FM Emilia Brobe, ubitimi FM Miss EB, DJ Hitman dear, abribia mitino, Hitman bomenyumpa.
Hey, Kwame, Adwoa kabumo ana iso awo no mo ha wanisa. Ti sete de wo mne banku ahia wo aden.
Akosua ebuo mumpo. Isu amenumi anya kama pesu papa no ma chumebo. Isu ne kasen.
Anope dem de asem asio. Anope ya na nan ma me nsio bia no me nsio kroje aye fe no Lumba nsupa. Nsio no de e fa wumni mu ase boko na ye so smooth. Kwame nsio de wasa wonom bi. Nsio ne ye kama.
Lumba nsupa.
Lumba nsupa.
Ma me kanhwe. Nsupa pani. Enya na na de ade asie mi. Na menya bi ato wo hemfa.
Pebi ade akohye me fridge.
Sa? Na.
Kwame, said the akosia canon. They say, my bushia for dear mamma musupa, a lumba and supa, and see about a jama so any asset get to a cry. They say, I don't know when no one will be a tobacco, or don't want to pay fear more. Yeah, no more. Just a BBA demo. Come. Aquala Production and Trading Limited, and I want the Abuano, and they bring you in Sioni, in Siani Lumba in Supa. Sanya at the Fonomusu Pebia Tua, Abra Akosia Eboma, and say, Opia. Or the Sainty on my friend number C 026 3983 801 and I said 054